So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this absolutely delicious sandwich, the Mi Goreng toasted sandwich. So simple, so tasty, and it really hits the spot. The best part of it is, it's so easy and cheap to make. So let's get straight into it. So the ingredients you'll be needing for this dish today are some white bread, some butter, some tasty cheese, 1 free-range egg, spring onions, and finally, the star of this dish today is the Mi Goreng Noodles, one of the most popular instant noodles in the world and personally my favourite. Now start off by slicing up your bread and get that ready. Once this is done, the next step is to butter both slices on just one side, as you can see what I'm doing here. Once this is done, simply put them aside. Now the next step is to heat up a pan and cook your egg. Once the pan is hot, simply crack in an egg and cook it sunny side up. Once this is all done, again just set this aside on a plate. Now the next step is to cook your Mi Goreng. Simply just follow the instructions. Be sure to add in all the ingredients, including the chili sauce, as this gives it a nice good kick. Give that a good mix and give it a good stir, and once again set that aside. Now this is the fun bit. Heat up a pan on a medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add in the 2 slices of bread with the butter side facing down. Now the next step is to add in some cheese. This gives it that nice sharp taste. Now the next step is to add in your tasty Mi Goreng. Be generous and don't worry if it falls on the side. And the next step is also to add in some spring onions. This gives it that nice colour and also adds a little bit of nice flavour to it. And finally, to top it off, simply add the sunny side egg that you've made earlier, as you can see what I'm doing here. And finally, just top it up with the slice of bread. And congratulations, you have made yourself the absolutely amazing Mi Goreng sandwich, the perfect cheat meal for a late midnight snack. Now if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me more than you think. I'm hoping one day to get 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully you can all help me get there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.